Hello to you. My name is Maria Kądzielska and this is Poland Daily Culture, and we do Christmas cooking for you today. And it's another episode to show you how to bake and prepare traditional Polish gingerbread for Christmas. We almost have it ready, the cake itself. It's not easy at all because you have to blend it and put it all together, all ingredients in one thing. It's also a little bit dirty, but that's the most important part. When you have a good mixed and blended cake, then we can start the carving. So check out and see how we do it. So that's are my skills to prepare, and you see, to make and bake and prepare a good cake, part of it. And from it, we will carve it. As you can see, it's a knowledge of every traditional Polish wife at house, though I'm still not a wife, but that's my additional skill. And when it's mixed and done, we do the carving. So we will start and prepare the carving in order to prepare the cookies, the gingerbread for Christmas as a form of presents. We manage from all this powder and baking powder and flour and honey and additional spices, we manage to prepare the cake, and we cut a lot of nice trees, stars and snowman, because it's of course for Christmas. And you can give such kind of gingerbread as a form of gift to your friends and to other people. It takes approximately a half an hour to prepare it. So now we start the baking. The oven needs to be warmed up already previously, and we bake in 180 degrees. Girls, give me a hand so we do it properly. Okay. So let's watch. And we wait for 12 minutes when they are done. And now is the time of praying, so they actually taste delicious. My dear viewers of Poland Daily, 12 minutes has passed, and now there is time to take our cookies out. I do hope that they are baked nicely, and of course that they taste amazingly. So first the gloves, so I don't burn myself. We bake them in 180 degrees, so that's actually really hot. So for 12 minutes, they should be already good. So they actually look beautifully and they are perfectly done. Brown, well, I hope they are crispy as well. So let's eat them. So girls, I think you should take the other one out.
Okay.
Please do it. And we start the cooking and eating them.
Okay.
They do look really beautifully. I would say that we've done a perfect job. The shapes are even exact as they should be. So they look actually really beautiful. And now we should decorate them, don't we?
Yeah, we should.
But we don't really have anything more to decorate them. Some additional, basically that's what you should make them colorful and shiny. Well, but it's a cultural program and we're not that cultural anyway. But look at the star. I hope that you, the audience of Poland Daily, will be able to repeat it all yourself back at home. Because that's one of the best Polish tradition during Christmas. And what else to do right now? Just eat.